Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for weekly Super STI content, Evo 10 content, and whatever random stuff I get into. So I recently picked up an STI wing, already color matched, and today's goal is to go ahead and get that mounted onto the car. So I actually attempted to put this wing on already a few days ago, and it was impossible to get it mounted on with that hardware that was provided with the wing. So as you see here, these are the mounting screws that came with the wing, and it's literally these are too short. It's literally impossible to get the wing mounted on with these screws. So what I did was I picked up some like threaded rods and threaded them into the wing itself. After the holes are drilled into the trunk, these can go straight into the holes, and from there I'll be able to put nuts on and screw them on, and it should be good to go. Now these are probably a lot longer than I actually need them to be. Unfortunately, these were the only size that I could find, but the wing is brand new. I'll be sure to link it in the description box below. Already paint matched to the car, which is cool. I don't have to worry about painting it. In addition to the wing, I'll be installing some PERRIN wing stabilizers also. So I'm excited for that as well. And again, these will be linked in the description box below. Also, quality seems to be legit, seems to be pretty nice. I think these just mount on with double-sided tape, which that is provided also. So to get started, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make like a template using cardboard, and I'm going to press it up against the bottom half of the wing, so that way the studs make contact with the cardboard, and I will drill through that or put holes in that, place that template over the trunk, and hopefully that way it'll be lined up correctly, and from there I should be good to go as far as mounting the wing onto the trunk. Okay, so just like that, the template is made. So now I'm gonna go ahead and probably mark the halfway point between these two center holes here. I'm gonna mark the halfway point there, somewhere probably right around there. I'll use a tape measure so I can get it perfectly aligned. And line that center mark up with the center of the trunk. So that way I can try to get the wing as centered as possible. And then from there, I'll start the drilling process. Kind of nervous, I'll be honest. Because once you start drilling, you know, there's no going back. Once you start putting those holes in there, there's no going back. So let's go ahead and get the template centered and start the drilling process. All right, the bottom half of the wing is on. One thing I would suggest, having an extra set of hands when you're probably doing this, because I wasn't paying attention, and while I was on the passenger side, the left side actually scratched up the paint on the trunk, and it kind of looks pretty bad. I mean, I guess it's not horrible, but yeah. So I'm probably gonna have to get some touch-up paint, but the bottom half of the wing is on, so I'm gonna go ahead and bolt the top half of the wing on, and from there we're gonna go ahead and put on those wing stabilizers. Okay, so I got the wing stabilizers on there, and they don't actually sit flush on both the top and the bottom part of the wing. I don't know if it's because it's an aftermarket wing or what. If you can see that, there's like there's a gap. There's a gap there on both of them. So because of that, I don't know that I'll keep those on there. I may end up just getting rid of those. But overall, I'd say it was a success as far as getting the wing mounted onto the STI today. Aside from that horrible scratch, man. Still kind of salty about that, but I'll try to pick up some touch-up paint and try to fill that in and as best as I can. If you liked the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Evo and STI content, and I will see you guys in the next video.